Hello everybody, this is Dr. Kaushika from Physics Department of Dr. NGP Arts and Science College. So in this video, we are going to discuss about Boolean algebra, which comes under the course Digital Electronics. So we are going to see what is Boolean algebra, different laws in Boolean algebra, rules of Boolean algebra, and finally the De Morgan's theorem. So Boolean algebra is used to analyze and simplify the digital logic circuits. It uses only the binary numbers, that is 0 and 1. It is also called as binary algebra or logical algebra. It comprises of two mathematical operations, that is addition and multiplication. It consists of a variable, which is a symbol used to represent a logical quantity. The complement of the symbol is given by inverse of the variable bar over a variable, by applying a bar over a variable. So next is the laws of Boolean algebra. There are different laws, different types of laws, namely commutative laws, distributive laws, associative laws, or operations and operations, double complements, laws of absorption, identity theorems, De Morgan's theorems. So first is commutative laws. The commutative law of addition for two variables is given by a plus b is equal to b plus a. So both the outputs will be the same. So here you are given an OR gate. There are two inputs A and B. The output is A plus B. This is equivalent to B and A, but same output will be obtained, B plus A. So even if it is 0 and 0, the output will be 0, and whatever the output of this gate is, it will be the same. The commutative law of multiplication is also present. For two variables, it is written as AB is equal to BA. So even if you multiply A and B or B and A, you will get the same output. That is the law of commutation. Next is associative laws. Associative laws is usually is given for three variables, and for addition it is written as A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. So you will OR two variables using one OR gate and take the output of the output of the gate, and give it as an input to an other OR gate. So here B and C is added through an OR gate, and the output is given to another OR gate with A as another input. So the output will be A plus B plus C. Similarly, here A and B is done, OR operation is done, and given the output is given to the other OR gate with C as another input. So the operation is done as A plus B plus C, but the outputs will be the same. The values of the output will be the same. Similarly, for associative law of multiplication, the law is A into BC is equal to A into B into C. So these are the associative laws of addition and multiplication. Next is distributive law. The distributive law is written for three variables as follows. It is A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. So when you have A into B plus C, this value will be equal to AB plus AC. So this is the logic diagram for this law. So these are the different rules of Boolean algebra. First one is A plus 0 is equal to A. Here anything added with 0 will give you the same variable. Next is A plus 1 is equal to 1. So anything added with 1 will give you only 1, because even if A is 0 or 1, when it is added with 1, it will give you the output as 1. Next is the rules of multiplication. A dot 0 is equal to 0. We all know that anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Similarly, A dot 1 is equal to A. Here, even if A is 0 or 1, when it is multiplied with 1, it will give you only A. Fifth one is A plus A is equal to A. If A is 0, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, which is A. And if A is 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, which is also A. Next is the variable plus the complement of the variable will give you 1. If A is 0, its complement will be 1. When it is added to 1, it will give you 1. If A is 1, the complement will be 0. So when added to the complement, it will give you 1. Seventh rule is A dot A is equal to A. So if A is 0, 0 into 0 will give you 0. If A is 1, 1 into 1 will also give you 1. Next is A dot A complement is equal to 0. So if A is 1, A complement will be 0. So anything multiplied with 0 will be 0 and vice versa. In another case also it will be the same. Here the double complement of a variable will give you the variable. So when you complement the complement of a variable, you will again get the same variable. Next is A plus AB is equal to A. In this also, if A is 0 and B is 1, 0 plus 0 into 1 will give you 0 here, which is equal to A. For 1 also, the case will be the same. Next is A plus A complement into B is equal to A plus B. So here also it is the same. If you work out both the cases, you will get the output as A plus B. Next is A plus B into A plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Next is rules of Boolean algebra, OR operations and AND operations. When you have x plus 0 is equal to x, x plus 1 is equal to 1, x plus x is equal to x, x plus nothing is equal to 1. And operations is x dot 0 is equal to 0, x dot 1 is equal to x, x dot x is equal to x. And all here also double complement of x will give you only x. Laws of absorption. So x plus xy is equal to x. Here we have already seen this law in A into B form. Here y is absorbed in this law, which means if you put x is equal to 0, 0 plus 0 into any y will give you, this term will become 0. So y will be absorbed in this term. So the output will be x. Here x into x plus y is equal to x. Here also if x is 0, here y even if it is 1 will be absorbed because x in 0 into any variable will give you only x, which is 0. So y is absorbed in these two cases. Next is identity theorems. So x plus anything into y will give you x plus y, and x plus anything into y is equal to x dot y. Next is De Morgan's theorems. There are two theorems in De Morgan's theorem. So to solve the various Boolean algebra expressions mathematically, De Morgan's theorem is used. It defines the uniformity between the gate with same inverted input and output. It is used for implementing the basic gate operation, which is NAND and NOR gate. So the first theorem is x dot y the whole complement is equal to x complement plus y complement. Here this is the equivalent term of NAND gate, and this is the equivalent for NOR gate. Second theorem is x plus y the whole complement is equal to x complement dot y complement, which is the equivalency of NOR and negative AND gate, which is NAND gates. So this is the De Morgan's first theorem's logic diagram. So A dot B is equal, whole complement is equal to A complement plus B complement. So this is the construction. First, you will construct A dot B, which using a AND gate. You will just take the output of the AND gate and complement it using a NOT gate, which will give you A dot B the whole complement. So this is the first term, which is the output of a NAND gate, and this should be equal to this logic circuit. Here you have A complement plus B complement, that is sum of the complements. So first you will complement the inputs. A is complemented, B is complemented, so you will get A complement and B complement, and further you will OR the complements and give it as A complement plus B complement. So when you work it out with 4 different inputs, you will get the outputs respectively like this. So both the outputs of the right hand side and left hand side will be equal. So A 0 into 0, if A is 0 and B is 0, the complement of the product is 1, and the complements separately are 1 and 1. So the sum of the complements will also be 1. Similarly for all the other cases. So to prove the Boolean algebra A plus A complement is equal to 1 and A dot A complement is equal to 0, and De Morgan's first theorem will be proved if we prove that A plus B is plus a complement dot b complement is equal to 1 and a plus b dot a complement and b complement is equal to 0. So here you have a plus b plus a complement dot b complement, which is equal to a plus b plus a complement and a plus b plus b complement. You are multiplying this term with both these terms and then rearranging, you get b plus a complement, a plus b complement. So a plus a complement will become 1 and b plus b complement is also become 1. So b plus 1 is 1 and a plus 1 will also be 1. So the output will be 1. So hence this one side is, one left hand side is proved, and the right hand side a plus b into a complement dot b complement is equal to, you will expand and then rearrange the terms. A dot a complement is 0, b dot b complement is 0. So anything into 0 will give you 0. So we have proved the first theorem. Similarly, this is De Morgan's second theorem. So a plus b the whole complement is equal to a complement dot b complement. So first you will add the two inputs. So adding the two inputs, you will get a plus b using an OR gate, and then you will complement it using a NOT gate. So the output will be a plus b the whole complement. So the second part is using NOT and AND gates. So this will be the equivalent of an NAND gate. So the inputs A and B are complemented first using a NOT gates. So the inputs further will be A complement and B complement. When it is multiplied together using an AND gate, you will get A complement dot B complement. So this is the logic circuit diagram of the De Morgan second theorem. And similarly, as in first theorem, we can see that the truth table has been proved, and it is satisfying the De Morgan second theorem. So this is to prove that De Morgan's second theorem is valid. So a dot b plus a complement plus b is expanded and then rearranged and given. So the rules of Boolean algebra are implemented and the output is given as 1. Similarly, for this, we will get a dot b into a complement plus b complement will be given, and you will rearrange and simplify the terms to get 0. So the De Morgan second theorem is true and valid. So summarizing the video, we have seen the basics of Boolean algebra, what is Boolean algebra and for what it is used, different laws and rules in Boolean algebra, and finally De Morgan's theorem in detail and their proof. Thank you.